This video is going to walk you through how to update the points associated with a multiple choice question in an administered assessment, update the settings, and also update the correct responses as well. So this is really useful if you go through and you've started grading or students have started submitting work and you want to make a change. You can make this change at any stage. So select your administered assessment. On the left-hand side, select questions. And if you would like to update the default settings, we're going to click on multiple choice settings here. Now the default is that each question is worth 1 point, and you can update this by typing or using the arrows there to select up and down. You can update the incorrect responses to be worth negative points. At the moment, it's just set to 0. Another option is if you have multiple correct answers, you can actually shift this so that students need to select all of the correct answers. I'm going to keep this on selecting one of the correct answers and select save. So that will update your answer key. So when you select in your answer key, what you will see is that now default points are set to 2 here. You can override this as well by typing or using the arrow key to increase or decrease that amount. If you would like to update the correct responses, you're just going to select. So what you will see here is that now both B and D are considered correct, but if we wanted to just have one correct answer, we select across the option again, and that will deselect it for you. So now question 2, the correct response is just D. And that's how you can update your settings. Once you've updated them, if pages have already been uploaded, those changes will be, or that scoring will automatically be applied to the pages that have been uploaded.